in the Kingdom Monera, the next group of organisms are mycoplasmas. These mycoplasmas are initially were called as pneumonia like organisms, that is PPLO, or they are otherwise called as mycoplasma like organisms. These are called as MLO. So likewise these are been first identified by Knockout scientist. Knockout scientists had first identified the mycoplasmas, and mycoplasmas have some special features where these are considered to be small and smallest and simplest organisms. Smallest and the simplest organisms, and here they may survive either in the form of parasites or some they exist in the form of saprophytes. And one thing is, as we have seen the eubacteria and archaebacteria where they have the cell wall, but here the cell wall is lacking. As the cell wall is lacking, it is insensitive to penicillin and lysozyme enzymes, and they exhibit pleomorphism, or the ability to change their shape according to the environment in which it is present, and that's the reason why these are called as jokers of the plant kingdom. These are called as jokers of the plant kingdom. Then these mycoplasmas limiting structure called as a cell membrane, and which is very much prominent, and they generally lack flagella, and inside the cell membrane they have the cytoplasmic content. This cytoplasmic content have the DNA, which is nearly similar to the eubacterial structures. Here the replicating end of DNA act as mesosome, and which will help in the other mechanisms. And here apart from this one, the pili are also absent. And as we said that the outermost limit is a cell membrane. This cell membrane does not have infoldings which we had seen in the eubacterial structures. So here inside the cytoplasm, I said that the DNA is present. Along with the DNA, the other membrane bound cell organelles are absent. They lack. Membrane bound cell organelles. This character is similar to that of the eubacteria, and apart from this one, they contains ribosomes which are of 70S type of ribosomes. This character is also similar to that of eubacteria organisms. So these are the characteristic features which can be seen in the mycoplasmas, which are considered to be the smallest one, and their size is smaller than the viruses also. Then they are parasitic, as we have discussed. So when they are parasitic, they cause some harm to the living organisms, like they may cause some diseases like witch's broom is a disease which is caused in the plants, and pleuropneumonia. This is caused in cattle, that is in the animals. At the same time, they cause mycoplasmal urethritis in human beings. So these are the harmful characteristic features related to the mycoplasmas.